First one on the board. They're on the bottom. They're on the bottom, y'all. First one, guys. Got him on the 10-inch worm. Let's get this fellow back. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it. With the lipless crankbait, I'm gonna hang out right here in these lily pads for a minute and see if there's anything else in here. Let's get them back in the water. Oh, nice one. Ooh. Got him on the red and black worm, 10-inch. Nice one. Uh-huh. He's sitting on the bottom. Got another nice one, guys. Fat little rascals too. Healthy. Very healthy. Thank you, buddy. Bass number 2. All right. Let's get this fellow back. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it. All right. Let's get him back in the water. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you. Right. Let's get him back in the water. Thank you, buddy. Let's get him back in the water. Thank you, buddy. Hey, guys, just... Huh? Yes, sir. Got number 4. Chunky little rascals. Shoot, man. Chunky little rascals. Let's get them back. All right, ain't no signal down here. Let's get them back. Thanks, buddy.